Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spectrum TV application on a TCL Smart TV in 2026. Now, if you want to watch the live channels, the on-demand shows and DVR without a cable box, this is the easiest way to set it up. So first of all, you need to turn on your TCL Smart TV and make sure that it is connected to Wi-Fi. After doing this on your remote, you just have to simply press the home button. Once you do this, it is going to open the main screen in front of you. So here among the given options, you just have to look for the App Store. So on most of the TCL models, this will be either Google Play Store for Google TV, or for Android TV models, you are going to see the Roku based TCL TVs. So here in the App Store or in the Google Play Store, whichever is available, you just have to simply use the search bar. Here in the search bar, with the help of the keyboard here available, you just have to simply look for Spectrum TV. So when you search for Spectrum TV application in the search bar and you are able to find it here, simply tap on it. Then you will be landed here on the Spectrum TV page. Here you are going to see the install button. So simply press this install button and wait for some time until the installation completes. Now when the installation completes, it is going to basically ask you to log in with the help of your username, email address or password in your Spectrum account. So when you log in, the application is going to load your live TV channels, the on-demand content and cloud DVR recordings if your plan includes DVR. Now if you don't see the Spectrum TV app in the App Store, you can just simply restart your TV and check your internet connection, and also make sure that your TV software is updated. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.